like to try our bourbon brisket sandwich today?
No, thank you. Can I get a small fry?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Can I get a small fry?
A small curly fry?
Yep.
Okay, anything else?
Nope, that'll do it.
Alright. It's gonna be 188 at the window, please.
Thank you.
It just gave us a hand instead. I'll be like, yeah.
There you go. Take it out. Take it out. Stop.
Okay.
Hello, can I get a small fry? Yep. Don't put some pressure. Nope, that'll be it. Alright, thank you.
Hi, it's right. You want a copy of your receipt?
That's right.
There you go.
Thank you.
There you go. Have a good night.
Shit.
Welcome to McDonald's. I can take your order whenever you're ready.
Can I get a large fry?
How do they know we're coming?
Nope, that's it.
So the one large fry today will be $2.51 at the first window, please.
Thank you.
There's people inside.
Little ice cream too.
Here's your order.
Wow, thank you.
What did you do?
I need a.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. What can I get for you today?
Hello, can I do 10-piece McNuggets?
What kind of different sauce?
What kind of different sauce do you guys have?
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue?
Anything else?
Nope.
156 or someone else, thank you.
Who's good?
Welcome.
UCC, yeah.
156, please.
Where's Sierra?
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Was that them?
yeah. Somebody, I don't know.
You kids? I'm sorry about that. Stop it.